In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw WorldCoin to Binance. So let's dive right in. Let's start by opening the Binance app and then go ahead and navigate to the wallet section. Make sure you're in the Spot wallet by either clicking on Spot or sliding to it if you're on the overview page. Next, locate WorldCoin in your list of cryptocurrencies or scroll down through the list. Once you've found WorldCoin, click on it to proceed. To withdraw WorldCoin into Binance, you'll need the address of your WorldCoin wallet on Binance. To find this, go to the deposit section and select the appropriate network, such as Ethereum. Now you'll see the address displayed in a QR code or as a manual address. You can either scan the QR code or copy the address to your clipboard. Paste this address into the wallet from which you're withdrawing WorldCoin. And there, you're all set. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.